Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 4 from my European trip. After a quick stop for coffee and a breakfast, we are out on the bikes again and heading south. I said we are because today I'm not alone. I joined my mate from Bulgaria last night in the campsite near Rijeka. He's riding his stunning Suzuki Boulevard 1800 and we will tour together for the next 5 days from Rijeka to our beautiful little town in the northeast coast of Bulgaria. Today is when the real adventure begins. This is what we're here for. We are riding on the famous Adriatic highway, also known as Jadranska magistrala. We have about 210 kilometers south to Zadar and the weather seems to be improving unlike the forecast. And the scenery, man, is absolutely stunning. It's just unbelievable. And a quick update, after a short stop to enjoy the beautiful Croatian scenery, we took some pictures and I managed to fly the drone. We continued down south on the Adriatic highway on our way to Zadar. It is so beautiful, we cannot really comprehend how beautiful it is. And it will get even better the more we go south. And we are so incredibly lucky with the weather. I mean, just look at it, it's splendid. Hello. As you can see, I am in the Adriatic Sea swimming. End of day 4. 220 kilometers today from Rijeka, Kamp Ostro to Zadar. We are currently in Zadar, in a very nice guest house. Today we stayed in a guest house because last night we were in the camp and we get wet and everything was dirty and muddy and everything. So today we're gonna wash out and rest properly for another 200 kilometers, around 200 kilometers tomorrow. Continue down south on Jadranska magistrala, Adriatic highway. So if you like this video, press like, share, subscribe to help me with my YouTube journey and with my road journeys. See you tomorrow in day 5 from Adriatic highway. Bye bye.